Hello, my name's Mike Dixon. I run Secure Home Electrics, a security company installing CCTV and alarms in Huntingdon in Cambridgeshire. Here today to talk to you about the OwlView camera. The camera's just come on the market, and it's, in my view, a camera which will revolutionise the industry. It's a camera which can see in virtual no light conditions, and it does so by using a larger than average sensor within the camera, but also uses a large aperture. Problems associated with using a large aperture is that it can distort an image, and moving images can appear to be blurred. However, you can see by the images of me and my dog that doesn't cause the OwlView any problems. How can you do it, you ask? It does so by using a 9-stage process, which will be explained at the end of the video. It does so in real time, overlaying the images and processing the images to reduce distortion, reduce blurring, and to reduce the white levels and the different levels within the camera. For comparison, I've used an iPad camera. There are other cameras on the market which can see in low level, but I did use an iPad camera to show you how dark it is. As I say, the camera will be in 4 megapixel at the moment, 8 megapixel towards the end of the year, and they're quite reasonably priced, at around about the £120 fitted. Any problems or any further information, contact me at the number at the end of the video. But in the meantime, enjoy the rest of the explanation by Uniview on how they achieve this magic. Thank you for listening.